Just checking. All right, I am live, posting it in Discord. There we go. I should do it. Twitch, hello. Start streaming. All right, Twitch looks good. Which is not okay. Twitch looks good. All right, we are live. My hair is bad. Give me 1 second, guys. All right. This headphone just messes up with my hair. All right, no problem, no worries. Modeling crimes, yes. Criminal. I must say, hey Chloe, what's up? How are you guys doing? Today, it's going to be a shorter stream. We're just going to finish our model here from our last stream. And yep, just gonna sort things out. All right. So yesterday, not yesterday, last stream, we just made the roof. We finished the roof. We're just constructing it from top to bottom instead of bottom to top. This is our house model for our game. This is some Viking home. No, it's like more like a World of Warcraft kind of a model house. So this is the reference image we have. This is a World of Warcraft model, but we're gonna tweak some things and make it our own design. So yep, so we're gonna slowly work in the entire house today. If I can, I'll finish it. That's it. Okay, so all these are just framework. There's just cylinder just plotting out the house. We only finished the roof, nothing else. Some things are poking out. That is fine. We'll figure it out because those parts won't be visible inside the game. So it's not a big issue for now. The word is ambitious. We need to Easter eggs in every model though. Yeah, it's true. I mean, I'll try to put some Easter eggs. Shade smooth. I can't shade smooth. If I shade smooth, things gonna happen. Kaze with the first. Hey, let's go. How you guys doing? Kaze with the hydrate. All right. As soon as the stream started. We're doing some modeling crimes. What modeling did you think about, Chloe? Cat peeking from attic window, please. Thanks. Yes. We'll do that. Indeed. We'll have to make the cat. We'll have to animate the cat. It has to be a low poly cat. I want like fur and all. It'll be crazy. So we'll be basically looking at the house at like this angle, like in isometric view. This is how your game will be looking like, and your character will be just like maybe this much, like Pokemon top view all games. Okay, like this much. The camera will be zoomed in like this in a semi-orthographic view. Hey Agam, welcome. How are you doing? So your character will be like maybe this tall, just the doorway tall. So you can go inside the house. Once you enter the house, the scene changes and it becomes first-person camera. So I had to make area 3D and code a few things to change the camera angle. So as soon as you enter something, the camera switches to like should I do first person or should I do like inside the house like Pokemon, right? You enter a building and the entire view is different, right? It's like this, it is scaled differently inside the house and outside it looks smaller. Should I do that kind, or should I just go to first person mode in Infinite, like now normally? No, first person would be nice. Gives it depth, yeah. Cat peeking out. I'll do that. Give me ideas. Keep giving me ideas. I'll figure things out. All right. So now we have this part sorted. Now everything will be texture. The game is gonna be on the texture, the depth map, the normal map, and all those fancy shenanigans, But few things is going wrong here. There is a small piece which we booleaned out peeking at you. Like now, see, there is a small quad issue, like the polygon issue here. But if I apply it and delete later, I can do that. Oh, yeah. Another problem is there's a holes. We need to close that as well. And that will be closed, I guess. Oh, yeah. There's a small problem here. So if I go to the boolean, this boolean, it has to be in fast. Exact is not going to work. This part closes. Oh, this is an intersection, right? Yeah. But here, there's a small issue. All right, never mind. We'll fix it in the end when we apply all the modifiers. Good. What about you? I'm doing great. Good weekend, chilling. All right. Next thing, we need to figure out the house structure. Now let's move the roof aside. We'll make it into a collection and move the roof aside. So we have selected everything we need. Okay. Oh shit, we didn't select that. All right. We have selected everything we need. Making sure that our boolean is also selected. But boolean is on another collection, so no worries. I just have to not move this from this place, right? So we're going to make it a new collection and name it roof with a capital R instead. There we go. And we hide the roof for now. Roof will come back later. Right now, let's figure out the next part of the house. Davis School will be here in some time. I told him about the stream. All right. Thank you. I mean, I posted it in Discord, so he'll be here soon. Sort of give the user a feel that there is much in game. I think so. That's why I want to do it, right, Musi? Like when I get inside a house. The thing is, we are going. This is mostly the core gameplay is the crafting section of the game, not the hunting or the monster killing, collection. No. The crafting is gonna be the core section of the game. So I want crafting to be in a first person, that like animation, like hitting the hammer, the plate with the hammer, the iron ingot with the hammer, and all those kind of things. Those kind of animations I want. So it feels like you are crafting something. It's not just like you click one button, oh, the sword is in your hand. No, you are crafting the thing. That's the blacksmithing simulator. It's not. It's a blacksmithing game. The adventure part is secondary. It's like the secondary to the game. The town raid, protecting the town and everything is like the secondary. Hi Dev, hey man, what's up? Protecting the town and everything is secondary, and the main thing is crafting. So most of the game is going to happen in the crafting section. Like that's what I want. All right. So basically, the art style is. I'm still thinking about the art style. Should I make it what is it called? Pixel. What is the pixel graphic style called? Pixel art style, right? Or interactive. Will it be window or interactive? It's interactive. It's gonna be interactive, not a window. I don't like window crafting. So just click one button, done. What is it, man? Come on, we need some. If the crafting is gonna be the core of the game, it has to be interactive. No, it's cartoonic style. No, not cartoonic style. I have an idea. I can do that in Godot easily. Even if I make things in 3D, I can make it into pixel thing with something. I have an idea. Just 2 settings I need to change, and it'll automatically give me the pixel settings. I'm doing good. Dev. All right. Okay, let's figure out the remaining of the house. Okay, first let's do the base. Did you forget to save your project? No. The roof is there. Wait, hold on. The roof is here. We finished the roof only, right? Last stream. I've hit the roof. So we'll have to complete the next. So we can get a better picture on what we're doing. All right. So now we need walls. Let's get the walls sorted. Before the walls, let's figure out those beams. The beams are a little bit curvy. That is more like the rooftop. So I'll just copy the main thing first of all. Like, let's get the roof, get this beam. Okay, we're just gonna copy it, gonna paste it. So we have the same piece. So we're gonna use this piece itself on the sides of the house. But there's a problem. This can be used in the center, but not on. This can be used in the center here, like this. But it's not thick enough, so we'll increase the thickness as well a little bit. There we go. You can use this in the center of the house, but on the side it's gonna be like both two-sided, right? So let's keep adding these things. We're doing the second floor first. So the window comes here, of course. I just need the similar layout of the house. We have the window here. Okay, so this piece, right? This piece has two sides to it. So we'll duplicate this. Okay, now we need to do a few modifications to this. What we gonna do? We're gonna select this edge and push it in with our that is not gonna work. It's gonna be tough. Connected only. Okay, wait, hold on. So let's take these. I was gonna get the connected ones all. No, I don't want to do that. Okay, what about just the faces? Okay, that's the center faces, I guess. No, wait, there's only one center face. Oh, wait, two center faces. We have two center faces. So let's turn on connected only. And no, it's moving the entire thing. I don't want that to happen. I don't know. I forgot where it was. All right, we just manually fix it. We just need to do the side as well. I got an obstacle I can't get through. Tell me. Try to fix it for you, if I can. All right, let's just do this manually. Let's take these two. So we want to bend it in both ways. Let's say like this. There's a bend like this. So we want to bend it like this as well. So for the corner pieces. So we're just gonna smooth it out. Okay, the small things we need to fix. There we go. Okay, so that should, no, wait, hold on. Okay, and this part needs to be straightened. This part needs to be straightened. So we'll select the entire face, scale it on the y-axis to be 0. So it just straightens out. And oh, that's too straight, I guess. I mean, it looks good. I mean, the shape is not that bad. We just need to move this inwards a little bit more. These two both together, by the way. There we go. Now we have a little bit more smoother shape for the corner piece, but we need some thickness. We'll select all these, move it like this. Move this one, move it up there. Okay, now we have the corner piece ready. I mean, it's all right. It's good. It's good. It's a good corner piece. All right, it's hard to describe. I can't explain it freely. It's hard to describe. Just try to explain. Try to explain. In what? Sculpting, texture painting, modeling or whatever. Just let me know. I'll try to fix it. I'll try my best. Okay, so let's put that there. So now we have 1, 2, and this one. So let's delete the temporary piece. So now we have the corner piece. It's a little bit wonky. It doesn't have to be mirrored or perfect in modeling. Okay, shoot the question. Can I send on Discord? Yeah, you have a screenshot or something? Send in send a screenshot or something. A picture? All right. Okay, send a picture. All right. Now we know that this piece is going to be here. This is going to be the floor. So we're going to add a mirror modifier to this because we want the exact same thing on the other side. So we add a mirror. Then we do that. Oh, and since we change the shape and everything, we just need to adjust the scale again and change the bevel size. Okay, same thing for this. We just adjust the scale and change the bevel size to this one. So 0.012. You can hover over and press Ctrl C to copy things, by the way. The same thing, this I don't need because I'll just mirror the same thing. I'm going to move it a little bit to the side and poke it outwards. This one will move a little bit more to like this. It should poke like little bit poking outwards. The bottom is not flat, so we need to change the bottom to flat. So we select the vertices there, scale it on the z-axis 0, and it's flat. And the top, we'll do the same for the top, scale it on the z-axis and press 0, and there we go. And same thing we'll do for this. We'll scale the top part 0 on z-axis and scale the bottom on z-axis 0. So you press scale for S is scale and Z is to lock into z-axis, and you just press the number 0 and it just changes to 0. Okay, now we add a same modifier for this mirror and select the roof, floor. So now we have the copy of it. You can delete this one. All right. So now we have the copy of it as well. Okay, did you send? Let me check. Okay, not yet. Second, all right. Take your time, no problem. Okay. Now I will just duplicate the same piece, remove the mirror modifier, put it back on the X0, rotate it 90 degrees like this, rotate it 90 degrees like this, make it big, and make it little skinnier. Every time we rescale this thing, it looks different. Because it has a small curve, so it doesn't feel like it's being copy pasted. So a little thicker piece on top right there, that is our main support beam for the house. It's in the center position. It's not exactly, so we'll just zero it out. There we go. So we have our support structure there, and it should go around the house. So we'll just subdivide this face here, or another option is, I'll show you, simpler option. Instead of messing up, this has a curve, right? I want to keep that curve. And go around the house. So I can just basically copy paste this. Okay, I'm gonna put it right there. Only stretch it on the y-axis, just where it touches. Wait, give me 1 second. I'm getting a call. 1 second, guys. We're in the water pipeline. How will the NPC shower sadness? Pipeline, bro. I don't want to make it. There is no pipeline and all. It's ancient house. It's a fantasy. Long time ago kind of story. Okay, no piping, no water. If you want water, there's a well outside the house. You go there. 1 sec. All right, I'm back. Sorry for being late, but my laptop. Understood. So, where did you share? Wait, you haven't shared it yet. I'm just waiting. Okay, so we'll just copy this. We'll just maybe overlap it little bit, not too much. We'll adjust it later. But before that, we need to mirror this. But see, no, this one has extension, so it doesn't work on the y-axis, right? So we need to mirror this with eyedropping this one on the y-axis. Okay, so it's there. Now this piece, right? This piece will just overlap it little bit on like this, just like that, and make sure it is poking out halfway, which is nice. Okay, it's poking out a little bit. Here, what you do is remove this modifier. We just added the modifier just to see if it is mirror modifier, just to see it is in the center. Now we can just hide or remove the modifier, doesn't matter. These two pieces, we need to join it. So joining and making it one single object, right? So now it's two pieces and it has different type of polygons. So what you do, you have to control J it, so it becomes one piece. It's not done yet. Now we need to join it properly. So there you see, this is a different different piece, and this is a different piece. You can press L to see how many different pieces you have. These are loose parts. It's called loose parts. So we have two loose parts. We need to combine the loose parts. So you select this vertex, and merge it by pressing M and at last. At last means the vertex you selected last. So it merged right there. Okay, but you will see some few things happening because it just got its first joint, right? Now we'll same thing we'll do here. We'll select this and this right there in the corner. Select low. Okay, this. Okay, that's not getting selected. Why? Hello? Why are you not getting selected? Okay, let's wait. Undo. I don't know why you are not getting selected, but maybe we'll do that first. Oh yeah, I know why it's not getting selected. I'm just stupid. I just need to turn this on. All right, now you get selected. So we need to attach this to this. So we select that first and select this first, second, and click on merge at last. So now we have a merge over there, and we have a merge over here, right? But now we need a loop cut here to merge these two. Otherwise, we cannot merge this here. We need another loop cut here. So we Control R, make another loop cut straight, like now approx where you want the joint to be. Then you select that and this. Wait, that first, this second, and press at last. And here, same thing. You select this first, that second, and at last. So now we have this joint. Now this is, it's not yet, something is missing somewhere. Oh, there is an inner manifold. There is an inner face. There's an inner face right there, which we need to delete because we don't need any inner faces. That will destroy the bevel. So we just delete, press X, delete the face. There should be one more here somewhere. Let me see. Should be good to go now. That's only one. Oh, there's one more inner face here, right? Wait, no, I'm not sure. Okay, let's just move this. No, wait. Okay, I don't see any inner faces there. Okay, just to be sure, we'll press A and just merge. Sorry, we'll press in the vertex mode. We'll press M and join by distance. So now we have one single object like this. All right. So now, just making sure there are no inner faces. You can click and hide faces to see if nothing weird is going inside. There's a bevel, that's why it looks kind of weird. So just hiding one single face at a time to see if anything is weird. Okay, nothing looks weird right now. Everything is okay. I'm hiding all the faces. We need to scale, apply the scale again. Control A, apply scale, and just adjust the bevel back to how it just looked before. All right, now we have this piece. So now it's single piece. It's single piece going around the house. Now we just need to make a copy like this. Or we just do the same process on the other side so it is not like perfectly mirrored. Let's do that instead because mirroring this, we need to attach it into one single geometry anyways. So let's just copy the same process on the other side. So just to do that, the best option, what if I mirror it? No, give me 1 second. If I mirror it, no, it goes in a different direction. The joint is there. Or the best part. Another thing I can do is I can let's say set origin to geometry. It aligns the origin point to the center of this shape. Okay, now if I add a mirror, okay, on the X and Y, it becomes a square, but you see there's slight problems in the edges because I don't want that to happen. So I'll just move the thing. No, that will not work either. Moving the origin point will not work either. But now it has a few overlaps and stuff. This could work, but it is not best to use this method. It's clipping things left and right. So what we will do is apply this mirror. Okay, we apply that mirror. So now we have an overlap over here. So we have two objects, one piece there, one piece here. All right, now what we are going to do is a simple thing called merging vertices. So we'll press on A, so let's select all the vertices, press M, press by distance, and increase the distance a little bit. That there's a box, you can't see it. There's a box here to increase the distance. When you increase it slightly holding shift, it'll reach a point that the closest vertices are joining by itself. Once it feels like it's one single object again, you can press tab, and there is one inner face over here which needs deletion. There should be multiple inner faces because we did something stupid, right? It's like few silly shortcuts you can do to do things. I think applying scale should fix the issue. No, it doesn't. Right now, it feels like things are. See, there's an interface over here. There's a big interface. What the Sigma? Hey, Duffy Dan, what's up? How you doing? All right, so okay, there's another interface over there. So many interfaces happening. So I think that is because of the bevel, I guess. If I had, okay, that is because of the bevel. So I deleted the interface, control unhide. Now that small patch should go away. It's still not going away. I think it's because it's not straight line. Oh yeah. Oh yes. Okay, so if I do this. Oh, there's another vertex. Oh, there's two vertex here, I guess. No, it's just one vertex. There is some weird thing happening. I think there are two vertex somewhere down here. Oh, yeah, there is an extra face over here. I send it. All right, let me check. I'll try to figure out the problem. Okay, so we have one silly face over here. We can just delete this face. Okay, now we have 1, 2. That's a big one. We're just trying to replicate that side to this side, right? So let's see if it's a manifold. Oh, there's okay. So I think there's one face over there inside. I can see it. If I hide this face, no, wait, what's happening? Yeah, I should put in wireframe, then I can see properly, right? Let's turn on the bevel. Okay, can't see any inner faces. There is one over there. Yep, there's one inner face over there. Face deletes. One on the top here. Yep, got that. One on the side here. Yep, 3 faces were there, which was interfering with our geometry. And there should be one on this side. No, okay. So I think all the extra faces has been taken care of. I think there is something going on here as well. Why is it line zigzag? Okay, never mind. I think now it should look good. This side also there's one face. This is what happens when you apply mirror modifier with overlapping things. Face 1, there we go. We deleted that. There should be one here as well. Right, I think we deleted already. Okay, now it looks good. Okay, so let me check your problem. Give me one sec. Discord. I got a door and a mesh behind it. How can I cut the mesh behind as the door shape? Okay, so you want to do this, right? Let me save this image. Okay, you got you got this, right? This is your thing. So you have a wall. You have a wall. It's reduce the thickness. You have a wall. Okay, this is what you have. Now you have a door. Now you made an archway, right? So archway, to make a easy archway, you can make a plane, rotate it on the X, make it your size you want the archway to be, right? Place it in the front, bring it, bring it to the front like this. Okay, now what you need to do is select these two vertices and press Ctrl Shift B, so you can bevel the vertex instead of the edges. So now it is beveling in a weird shape. Don't do that. Okay, let's apply the scale. Ctrl A, apply scale, or you can go to Object, Apply Scale. That it applies a scale, right? Now if you Ctrl Shift B, bevel on these two vertices, it will properly bevel in a proper manner. Now it's overlapping, right? So I can increase the count of how much points I want. So let's say that many points I want, but now it's overlapping like this. If I press C, it stops overlapping at when it touches together. So now you have a proper arch instead of like like little bit stretched one. Now once you do that, there is going to be 2 points over here because overlap came from that thing came from both sides. So we can select these 2 points, both of these points like this, and merge at center. Now you only have 1 point over there. So now since that is fixed, you can make a select the face. By the way, select the face, inset by I. You can make an inset like this. Okay, you can make an inset like this. It should be fine. Then this point, this face, you can just delete it. Okay, delete the face. Right. Okay, and the inside face, this is the cutout you want, right? This is a cutout you want. So what do you need to do? Wait, hold on. It's a room. Okay, room, wall, whatever. You're gonna put that the door on the wall, right? So the inside part, you need to separate it. So in the edit mode, click on that face, press P to separate it by a selection. So now it's a different object. Okay, now let's flatten this thing out. Scale Z0, scale Z0, and just GB this, Z axis this. Okay, now you have the doorway and the arch. You have the arch and the doorway. The arch, you can just extrude it like this, make it a little bit thicker. Then you place it in between the walls like this. So it's appearing on both sides. This cutout, which is not moved, right? You increase the size. I mean, like you make it big amount, like thicker than your wall. Then you move it and place it right in there. And on the wall, you can use a Boolean or a Boolean modifier and select this thing. Then you can just hide it. So you have a hole in there. Now you have a path. Or another thing you can do is instead of doing that, take the wall and this. Okay, isolating it. Now go to edit mode, selecting both. Go to edit mode, selecting both, and project. Okay, so knife project, an option is there called knife project. Not knife project. Wait, hold on. Project. Not projection from users. Okay, knife project. Why is it not working? Knife project. No other selected objects have wire or boundary edges to use for projection. Okay. I think. What if I just. Knife project. Why is not working? Shit. I don't know what I did wrong. Maybe. Hold on. Triangular face. Maybe there is no mesh data, I guess. No other selected objects have wire or boundary edges to use for projection. Wire or boundary edges. Let me figure this out. Give me 1 second. This is the best option instead of using Boolean. But I don't know. Boundary. Okay, maybe like this. You set it down like this. Not working. I don't know why. Knife project. Oh, something's wrong. Okay, I'll try to fix that later. So now you can use the Boolean method. Okay, so basically increasing the depth of this thing. Okay, like making it a solid. Maybe it's, oh wait, it's not a plane. Okay, wait, hold on. Okay. Knife project. What? Okay, something's wrong. Let it be. So you can just make a Boolean out of this. So add a Boolean modifier on the wall, select this and move it inwards. So now when you hide this, don't delete it. When you hide this, you can have a walkway. But now, basically your wall is not destroyed. The wall is still there, but the modifier is just making the hole. So if you apply the modifier, the Boolean modifier, now it is applied. Now you can basically take the wall and you can see the mesh. But now what happens? It's not in quads. Things are not in quads. So there are so much data missing. Like, you know, this is not proper flow. How can I destroy it? Destroy what? I want it to be destroyed. Like destroy a wall. Animating a wall destruction. You want to animate a wall destruction. Why to make it quads? I mean, just a 3D workflow. If you're making it for some projects, because the thing is performance, right? If there is later on working on, not performance, later on working for it, it's easier for editing and all those things. How to make a room? Room, you can just make a cube and solidify it using a box. Yeah, you can just make a cube. Just make a big cube. And hi Ashutosh, welcome to the chat. You can just make a cube. Now it is basically a solid, right? You can add a solidify modifier and increase the thickness. Increase the thickness a little bit. Okay, just the wall thickness you want. Wait, that is minus thickness. Okay, wait, hold on. Okay, increase the thickness a little bit. Now it is like a wall, not a solid box. Got it? I'm new to modeling. Oh yeah, so basically you use the quads for later purpose, because see, right now I'm making things in quads, right? So if I want to select a series of faces going in a straight line, I can click and shift alt click it and it selects the entire face. Let's imagine if it's not in quads. Okay, let's make it triangles. Let's say if it's not in quads. If I shift click, sorry, if I alt click, the series doesn't get selected. But if I click on the ones which are quads, the series gets selected. So it's good for editing later. How is Wow House going? It's going good. It's going good. It's good for editing it later. So that's why. So that's why you need to work in quads. But in the end, once you're satisfied with your model, you make a copy of it and triangulate the model. No worries. Like I can just, once I'm done with my entire house, like I'm been working on this. So if I can just select everything I want, go to, I need to apply the modifiers as well. There are a lot of modifiers going on. So for example, if I select this piece, I can select all the faces and right click and triangulate faces. And I can just import it to my game engine, right? So I'm making this model for my game. So I can just import it to my game engine, which is Godot. Once I'm satisfied with the model, I have to make a copy. I have to apply all the modifiers, everything. So right now, beveling is a modifier on this. So that's why this solid, thick, smooth curve effect is coming. I have to apply this to take it to my this thing, game engine. Got it? Okay, wait. So is the box empty from inside? Yes. When you add a solidify, it becomes a solid thing. Wait, let me show you. Wait. If I go inside, see, it's hollow inside. It has a solid wall. But if you don't give a solidify, I'll show you right now. If I add another cube, okay, I'm making it as a doorway. Okay, I'm making it a doorway for this. And I'm adding a boolean on this. Imagine that is your pathway, the doorway. Okay, I add a boolean and I add this as the thing. Now see, it's a hole, right? But if there is no solidify on this, what happens is it becomes like this. The boolean only works till there and it's not hollow. It is not solid. It's a, right, I clicked the wrong button. See, it's not solid. It is not showing inside. I'll just add a HDRI and give me 1 second. Environment, open. Assets, HDRI. All right, there we go. So right now, it's a, wait, film, transparent, okay. Now, if I turn on the solidify, let's see. Let's give it a color so I can show you better. Let's give it like nice darker shade. Okay. Now, see, it's not solid. Now, if I give it a solidify, and the solidify has to come first, and the boolean should not come first. If I turn on the solidify, now it's a box. Now there's a room inside. I made the arch using bridge face. I made 2 long boxes. Oh, you can make arch easier way, by the way. Thanks for the explanation. No worries, no. I'm here for that. I make things while I am showing you guys things. That's what I want to do with my things. Like if I'm making this model, if I'm making this house, whatever model, I want to show you guys what I'm doing. Not just plainly make it. If you guys want to learn, I'm a Blender tutorial channel, Blender and Godot tutorial channel. So if you guys want to learn, I can show you guys. That's the thing. Add the walls, bro. Yeah, I will add async. Wait. I will add. Give me a sec. All right. So I hope I cleared your problem. Dev. So let's make this inside. Okay, so I don't want to do that. So let's make it like this and make this. Oh, I didn't make the back side yet. Give me 1 second. I need to make the back. Okay, I hope I have removed all the unnecessary faces. It is not going janky. Let's see. It's edge loop select and see if everything is selecting properly. All right, looks good there. Looks good here. All right, perfect. Now I need to do the same thing on the back side. I help you in Godot, you help me in Blender. Fantastic. That's how we do it. That is exactly how we want to do it. You teach me Godot, I teach you Blender. All right, now that's the small thickness issue here. No, thickness issue there. Scale. There you go. Scale. Little bit. That should do it. Okay. And maybe these points and these points, scale it outwards a little bit. There we go. Okay, now we have a really irregular looking shape. We need to do the other side. So we'll add another mirror modifier. This is a pain though. I'm gonna add another mirror modifier, but this time what I'm gonna do is after applying, I'm gonna select this, delete all the faces before getting into the editing. So I'll delete all those faces by selecting this, delete all those faces. That is not face mod. Okay, this is face mod. Okay, I'll delete all these faces before doing the editing. Oh, wait. Oh shit, wait, hold on. I only need this part. I'll separate it first, then go to edit mode, delete all those faces. Okay, looks good to me. Now I'll take both of them. Now it's much easier to edit it because it looks fine. Because I need first I need to move this little bit back till here. Approx. Okay. Make sure window will be transparent. Oh, transparent. Do you want transparent? Because it's more like a stylized game. No, it's not realistic game. Let's join these two. All right, now we'll just do the our first kind of method. We'll just join these at last like that. Oh, there should be an inner face here, which we need to delete. There should be inner face here, which we need to delete. All right, so we don't have that inner faces. Then we can just keep merging these points and the edges. Oh, that's merged. Okay. I guess all of these is merged. Okay, we'll do the same thing on this side. Merge that, merge that, merge that, and merge that. Oh, no, wrong merge. Okay, merge that. Now we have merged everything. It's a single piece. Now if I try to select my lines, everything gets selected properly. It's okay. This is fine for this piece of item. Now let's arrange it properly where I need it to be. So let's make it smaller on like this. Let's stretch it like this, and let's stretch it like this. So I only want it this much and push it a little bit up so the tiles, these things, the roof tiles are outside, not inside. How to unjoin things? Separate it. Okay, separating is like this. So for example, I have this item. I can select the faces, how many faces I want, like this. I can use the alt to just get the loop, shift to select multiple things. And imagine if I want to unjoin this part, press P, and that means P is for separation. I don't know why P is for separation, but P is for separation, and you can just select by selection. Now this becomes a different object completely, and this becomes a different object completely. That's how you do it. Got it? Will it be difficult? No, it won't be difficult. Nothing is difficult for me, dude. Come on. Blender is easy for me. It's a cakewalk. All right. Now we have the foundation. No, roof, ceiling, not foundation. Now what we need to do, one more thing, we need to add the ceiling, the floor for the ceiling. Okay, so we'll duplicate, not duplicate, yeah, we'll basically duplicate this thing in the same position. We'll add 2 loop cuts like this. We'll add 2 loop cuts. Okay, and just release it, separate it. I'm separating you, showing you how to separate as well, separating loop cuts. I'm going to separate that loop cut, delete the thing. Now we have 2 lines. Now we're gonna select this and select this and bridge, oh shit, bridge edge loops. Now it becomes a stuff like this. Now then I can select this edge loop on the top, fill it, no, grid fill it basically. So I can just select this edge loop, right click, fill. Nope, I don't want that. I want to be a grid fill. Where is the grid fill option? Where is the grid fill option? Edge, mesh. Wait, oh, grid fill, there you go. Control F, there we go. Now if it's a grid fill, now it properly fills in like a grid. Then here also Control F, oh wait, Control F, grid fill. All right, now it's properly filled with grids. But the floor is kind of wonky. I think I'll keep that wonkiness. We got to make the second chord as a duo. Call of Duty. You mean Call of Duty? Oh, learning Blender. Not learning Blender, bro. I'm teaching Blender. Anxiety, what's up? Viv, what's up? What's worse than having hands in your pants? What? Your uncle? What the fuck, man? But kids are in the stream, dude. Viv, keep it PG. What's the current version of Blender? 5.0 is coming soon, next month. Right now it's 4.5. 4.5. All right, so now we have the small attic floor. Oh, wait, what is this? Oh, that's an extra piece. We don't need that. We have a small attic floor right here. I'm teaching about good, important for kids to know. They know, man. Today's kids are just learning things because they have the internet. We were dumb, no? When we were kids, we didn't know shit because internet was just new. Texture done or making mesh currently? Oh, making the mesh. Texture. What do you mean? This is the first model. So just making the mesh. We're figuring out small bits and pieces of the house. All right, let's move this. Let's isolate these things which we need. All right, let's now move the leg of the house right here. Be like this. Oh, I need to poke it outside, right? Okay, there we go. And poke it outside like this. This piece will go here. And should I make it smaller? I can make it smaller. I should make it smaller. Oh, there we go. No, I need to make it a little bit bigger. Scale on the Z. Okay, then right there. That should be looking good. Now I need to mirror this on the Y as well and change the thing to this. Oh no, what happened? Set origin to geometry. There we go. We fixed it. All right, now this one also mirror to this one and on the Y as well. So we have it on that side. We can delete these temporary ones. Now we have the Support structure. Now we need some on the side as well. 2 on the sides. This makes extension. Bruh. How did you make the rooftop brick design? Little cubes? No, wait. I'll show you. So the roof is a bunch of modifiers working in perfection. So I'll delete all the modifiers. So you'll see what is going on. The mesh is just this. This is the mesh. So 4 different variations of just a cube with a loop cut and resized. That's it. Just a loop cut, then just pushed it a little bit down and added a bevel first. So it became like this. Then added an array. So it just continues a long way. Then added a array again in a offset. Then booleaned it. Just intersection boolean where the roof is. Then mirrored it onto the other side. That's it. Just 4 single pieces of mesh. Mirror bevel array, okay. That's it. Little cubes, basically, little cubes. I like to work on modifiers. It's fun. It's so much fun to work on modifiers. Can you check DM a secret? Okay. Okay. Where are we? I also love to play with modifiers. It's so much fun. Nice. Boolean. Especially if you are making something with geonodes. Bro, geometry nodes is pain, man. So I'm still in a learning phase of geometry nodes. Geometry nodes is too complicated for me now. I mean, I'm still learning. I'll get there soon. Let's do one more thing in here. Let's do where is the color? Okay, that looks nicer. Cavity turning on. And where's the random colors? Matte cap. And put in studio material random. There we go. Then it looks nicer, you know, to look at. The cavity is on, right? The cavity is on. Okay. With the cavity, you can see the depth of things, which is nice. This is why when you see a lot of Blender tutorials, you have fancy colors in the viewport itself. And it's very easy to do, just 2 buttons. That's like very crisp to look at instead of plain gray. All right. Where are we? Rendering which engine? I'm importing this to Godot, right? For my game project, Anxiety. So I will be using Godot. The render engine is called something plus. I forgot the name. Something plus. Okay, let's move that there. Rotate 90 degrees. Oh, we can hide the roof, by the way. Don't need it yet. Just adjust this. There we go. We have the thing on the side. All right. Perfect. What is the render engine in Godot called, Dev? Do you have? I forgot. Forward plus, right? It's called Forward plus. All right. Now the entire thing, including the roof and the booleans. Don't look at the booleans. It's just a funny piece of things. Let's take the roof, the booleans, and the entire thing like this. What is this cubes? Oh, it's the bottom cubes. All right, we just push it up a little bit. Oh, push it up a little bit. There we go. And turn off the boolean. Turn off the roof. Has the attic floor. I think this should come a little up so it's not overlapping on the roof. There we go. All right, that should do it. Now we need the same roof. I mean floor. Roof or floor? It's an attic floor. It's a floor and a roof in one, right? As a floor and roof in one. You have to add stairs. Oh yeah. Thank you for reminding. Stairs, yes. Do you want stairs or ladder? What will be best? This is a small house. I mean, I will add stairs, I guess. I'll have to add stairs some way. Backside, I'll add it in the back. BRB, all right. I'm not parachuting in your house. Thank you for reminding. I completely forgot about adding stairs. All right, these pieces I need to stretch on the Z a little bit more, so I have a little bit more room in my house. Okay, now bring it down. Okay, now roof, boolean, select everything, bring up. There we go. At least one floor. Yeah, I'll add. On to the attic, I'll add a ladder, and to the first floor, I'll add a stairs in the back of the room, like this. I'll add a floor on the back. Okay, now these pillars, I just need to duplicate it down here. Oh wait, I forgot to pick one. This one. Okay. Just need to duplicate it down here, just like that. Okay. Floor. Under skirting, I'll just delete this. I'll just delete all the old ones or the temporary ones. There we go. We need this piece again here, but this time in the front, these 4 pieces needs to extrude outwards, not downwards. Extrude on the Y like this, and scale Y0. There we go. So it's extruding outwards like a small porch. And this piece, I'll lift it up. Oh no, wait. These 2 pieces I don't need right now, so I'll add it later on. So dissolve the edges. This piece, I'll lift it up just like that. So now we have this piece. Now we need to add the same tiles, roof tiles on this. Okay, now there's a small problem. It's too much. Let's reduce it a little bit. This much is enough. Okay. Wait. It's okay, right? When you see the house from here, let's add the walls real quick. Yeah, walls are just gonna be a plane, rotates on Y, plane. All right, just wait. Scale on Y, just fix it right there. Scale on Z. Walls are just gonna be like this. Extrude like this. Okay. Move it X right there. Oh, need some curve on the walls, so let's see. Ooh. There, here, there's random curves. Maybe add a loop point. Maybe add a loop cut here. One more, maybe one here, one here. Then let's move that little there, little there. So just randomizing the curve so it doesn't look like solid house. Okay, just a little variation. Then we'll auto smooth. Then give us solidify. A teeny tiny solidify, no need too much. It's a really thin wall, okay? Really thin wall. There we go. Oh no, wait. I want the pillars to be seen, so it has to be very thin. Inside the pillars has to be seen. I can move it. Hold on. I can move it little to outside like this. Okay, no, little to the inside. There we go. Little thin walls. No gossip stays inside. Okay, that should be good. You are game dev, bro? Yes, Abhi. Of course. How you doing, Abhi? It's been a while. It's been a long time. Okay, wait. I will ask you generally if I could exit your stream to play with my little brother. Please, man, go and play with your brother. The fake version. Go play. You don't have to ask me. Go play. Just copy Windows uplift. Wait. Just copy Windows uplift. Oh yeah. It doesn't look the same, right? Better to use this Windows roof. Say no, please. Really? Say no. Why? Why are you making you do this? Please. Nah, bro. You go play with your brother if you want to. If you want to. Or you can stay and watch. Don't make me do this. I don't want your brother to hate me. Say no. No, don't go. Your brother is like gonna be mad at me. Okay, I think I did a mistake here. What was... Oh, it was like that only before. Okay. So if I take the new one here, like this. Okay, I want the same thing from here, right? So I need to select all this. Copy. Hide roof. Paste. Oh shit. You pasted with the booleans. Booleans. Oh shit. Wait, hold up. There we go. I'll get mad at you. You have to say no. No, okay, don't go. Don't make me do this. You'll regret. Say no. Yeah, Rambo redeemed hydrate. All right, Rambo. Hey, what's up? How you doing, man? Okay, don't go. Stay and watch. No, you're not gonna play Minecraft with your brother. Make me sound like a villain. That's it. Your brother's gonna hate me now. Okay, let's move it together with the boolean and place it right around here. Oh wait, we don't need this, right? Okay, yeah, perfect. So we have a straight roof. Now that roof is gonna come out of here. That will be very low, right? So if I hide this and this, that is very low. Oh wait, I don't need this bit. Okay, I just need this piece. Good, man. Okay, where did the other boolean go? Okay, let's delete that as well. We'll just add another booleans once we figure out the shape and size and everything. So let's just make it smaller. That much is enough. Put it in the center. It should be popping out of there. Okay. This should be good. Now, this piece, right, it has to be little bigger than the top one. So we're just gonna increase the width and increase the depth. There we go. Oh, that's too much. There we go. That should be fine. There's no overlaps. Is that an overlap? That is an overlap. One sec. There's some overlap here as well. I can move this little bit to the inside, but that will also have a small problem now. Or I can just move these faces outwards on the x-axis like that. So it doesn't overlap anymore. Let's go. That's better. But the smoothness is gone. I don't want auto smooth. I want that cut look. All right. Now we have this. We need to boolean this and make it smoother. So we have that much. Okay. To the boolean, we say we copy this. Okay. Isolate it. Remove the mirror. Remove the bevel. Make it wide, just like that. So we get the same profile of it. Just place it in the middle here. Take these points, push it way back like that. So we have a solid object. Now for the roof, First boolean, we'll remove all the booleans on this. First boolean, we do this. Now we can hide that. So it cuts exactly at that point. Now we need to close this gap. That will be closed from the front while we make the wall. Okay, okay. So the second boolean. Oh wait, hold on. That boolean needs to go to the boolean collection. Back boolean is done. I'm not sure what to do here. Some things are overlapping. So many things are overlapping. These tiles are basically a bunch of overlapping things. I'm not sure how to fix it. But let's see. It's fine for now. Okay. Oh, wait a minute. On the roof, it was going like up. But on here, that angle is kind of awkward. If I cut it like this, it won't fit properly. Oh, wait, hold on. It's non-destructive, so I can work on it anytime I want. So let's get rid of the rotations on the Z. No, on all. Okay, make it lay flat. Okay, that's good. We just need this. We just need this. We just need to make the array little better. So let's brush. Okay, let's just bring it here. Right there. I think increasing the array should fix the issue. Not down. Sideways. That's not array. Where's the other array? Only one array? Wait, where did the other array go? Oh, there's only one array. So we need to add one more array. Array. Before go up, low, go up. One array before the main array. Then disable that first. Disable the mirror as well. Oh, this side is it is okay. On the Y, we'll put 1. On the X, we'll put 0. We just need 2. We just need 2 layers. Then we'll activate this. We'll have more layers to work with. All right. Then I can turn on the mirror and the boolean. No, wait, boolean will have to get reworked. Boolean turn off. Okay, now we have more layers to work with, so we can just adjust it accordingly. The top needs to be a little bit more closer. All right. On the top, we need to, oh wait, this is the top, right? Yeah, this is the top. So it has to come from this. So it shouldn't be like this. It needs a little bit more bend and go inside. When we, oh, no, it should come more down. Oh no. I mean, this should do it. This looks fine to me. Wait, no, wait, hold on. A little bit down. The one that's. Well, that should no. Come on. Now it's like weird inside. Okay, fine. Okay, this is fine. Let's add our first boolean. Let's hide the mirror first. Let's make our first boolean, which is this. So you're gonna copy that, and we're gonna copy this, and we're gonna copy. Wait, where was our this boolean? Okay, we're just gonna take you with us. 1, 2, 3, 4. There we go. First boolean, we'll just increase the width. And these faces, just push it up. Just making weird shapes. Okay, this boolean is going to be risky, so I'm just going to hide the mirror first. Oh shit. I'm going to apply the mirror, then delete this part. Okay. Oh wait, now what happened? Oh, what happened? Wait. Oh, delete. Okay, wait a minute. Oh, it's there. Okay, fine. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, now this piece. Oh, this is coming down extra, right? Hey, damn nice Blender skills. Hey, thank you so much, protagonist. How you doing? Welcome to the stream. Let's just extrude this face down a little bit and scale it up. So we have that cartoonish feel. Okay, looks good. Now let's boolean this out. So we just need. Oh wait, no. This is for the boolean, right? Okay, so this is for the boolean. So we'll just select these faces, extrude it out, and it's not in the proper angle. So on the Y, there we go. Also, we need to take these faces, put it out like this. Okay, so now we have the second boolean. So I think we have all the three booleans. Oh, this one we need to modify a little bit. Let's bring that up like that. Okay, all things covered. We just need the things we need. Oh, small error over there. Okay. All right, we have all the things we need. We had three booleans and apply the booleans. This first boolean is going to be this. What happened? Did it work? No, it didn't work. But hello? Why is it not working? Difference exact. Huh. What just happened? And that is not working. It was working before. Now it's not working. What happened? Maybe add the new boolean. Let's see. Boop, boop. Ah, there we go. Now it works. I don't know why it was not working, but yeah, the boolean was like, nope, not my problem. Duplicate the boolean, choose the next one. Again, duplicate the boolean, choose the third one. All right, so now we have all three pieces. We can just send these three to the boolean collection and hide it. And we have a. Oh no, what happened here? Oh no. No, wait. Okay, this is fine. And backside is fine. Okay. The top, it needs some small rework. I think the way we made it wider is interfering with the things. Let's just redo that boolean. I don't even need that boolean actually. Yeah, it looks good. Yeah, I don't need that boolean. That boolean is useless. All right, looks good to me. There's a small overlap. I can just maybe fix by sending it little down. There we go. Oh no. Wait. Oh, where did the other piece go? Uh, Was that the other piece? So hold on. There's a small error over here. Boolean back on. There we go. That's the face. Need to move it down. Okay, now this thing needs a small rework, so we're going to delete that piece, bring it down, and scale it up. There we go. And maybe move it to the side a bit. Oh, and move it up a bit. There we go. Looking nice. But now the problem arises. We don't need this boolean. We'll add a mirror. Add a mirror on this, on the Y. Okay, so now I want this to bend. So what we're doing is, excuse me, before the mirror, we're gonna add a symbol deform modifier. Symbol deform before the mirror, then bending it on the Y, no, Z axis. No, not Z, X axis. It looks like a bird wings. I'm flying. The house is flying. I think the origin point is kind of wonky at the moment because of all the rotation we did. Let's add it before. Oh, it's before the mirror only. Okay. Okay. So let's move it. I don't want to touch anything there. Let's bend it. I don't know which direction I'm going to bend it, but one direction. Ah, that kind of looks nice. No, it doesn't. I need to change the origin axis. Otherwise, it will be. Oh, wait. I want bend, not twist. Yeah, there we go. Oh, no. Don't have enough points. Now, if I bend, it doesn't have enough. What do you call it? Faces to bend. So I don't want to add more faces. It will be very too much poly count. What do I do? Whee! I like the twist though. The twist was kind of looking nice. But twisting it like outwards like this a little bit. And pushing it up. Yeah, the twist kind of looks nice. But what are the other things on this? Twist is a taper. I don't want the taper. The taper is weird. Weird effect. Stretch, then twist. Okay, twist is nice. I need to do the twist after the booleans, right? Okay, so after the booleans are done, we're going to twist it a little bit. But what is this? What are you? What is that line? Oh, I think it's something came out of the boolean. Edge came out of the boolean. Oh, slightly adjusting it will make it go away. There we go. 1 point. Oh no, now what? One overlap on the twist. Yeah, I can only do this much. If I do more, it overlaps. That much should be enough. All right, looks good to me. All right, turn on the mirror. There we go. It looks like a samurai house, Japanese house. Now it's got a mixing art styles. Ah, good lord. All right, now just let's add a mirror onto our wall here. Mirror, mirror. Who is the fairest of them all? There we go. All right, let's copy that down. Modern Japanese house? No. No, just the front roof is just stylized. The front entrance is just stylized. It's not Japanese house. It's a fantasy house. Like for stylized game. Hell gamer, by the way. Hi, welcome. Right, let's put the backside walls. Mm. Hmm? All right, just gonna mirror it on the Y instead of the X. Oh, wait, what happened? Oh, wait, that was a mirror. Hold on. Okay. Will it be a fantasy game? It is a fantasy game. I just the only the not even the prototype is done though. It's like a 10% of the prototype, not even 10%. Let's say 5% of the prototype is done. How do I know if my system can handle all this? This is very low poly. If you want to make something like really, really low poly, oh shit, what did I do here? Limited to okay. Oh no, oh shit. I made it into triangles. I'll fix that later. So if this is very, very low poly things, see, like literally nothing is there, just some quads. This things like these things you can definitely make in a low end system, no worries. But as soon as you do like a lot of polys, even my system starts hanging. See, even my system will start hanging. I clicked on it, see, it's coming late. So the moment you have so many polygons, so many quads, basically all the small polygons, your PC will die. It might explode. But if you have very few polygons, easily handle, no worries at all. Right now I'm working with minimal poly. So if I open my wireframe, see, this is just how many polys are there for me. So if I turn on my stats, where were stats? Here. Oh, wait, here. Turn on my stats. If I say I have a total of 816 triangles. No, wait, that's just the selected one. I have a total of 52,000 triangles. That's it. Will those polys for bending and will those polys for bending and curves? Bending, probably not. That many polys will not work for bending. For bending, we'll need a little bit more polygons. But it's up to you how smart you can make your models. How smart and minimal you can make your models and without making your system explode. The thing is, the game, right? The game will have tons of these kind of models, trees, houses, pathways, rocks, and most of the things you have to work with textures. That's how you escape meshes, the height map, the normal map, the displacement map, the color, the texture. You can fake something, fake depth with maps, with texture maps. For example, right now this tiles, right? There's only 4 pieces. That only this much. This is the roof tiles. Only 4 pieces with one. Let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 faces each. 10, 40 faces. I just added a array modifier. Don't worry about how long it's going. That is fine. I added an array modifier, then just booleaned it out to get this piece. Right now, there's a small clipping issue happening here, so I just need to fix that. Okay, that should do it. Okay. Saving file. This wall need a mirror on the Y. There we go. And copy the wall down here. Okay. So now we have the house. Now we need a triangular wall over here. All right, we'll fix that. Let's save it. I do want to make games, but see you working on this for 3 days. I'm getting amazed. See, you can download assets, and if you want to make something easier, go for 2D. You can download assets. You can get an asset library. You can purchase. Basically, downloading means everyone has access to it. Purchase assets from other designers, other developers, or you can hire someone to make the designs for you. If this one, I'm doing everything on my own, and Dev is helping with me for the Godot codes and stuff. So it will take time. Right now, the thing is, see, this is my first model for the game, right? The thing is, I'm working this in modular format. So if I want anything from this, I can literally just copy paste into a different model and I have it. Everything is non-destructive. If you saw that even the roof tiles are non-destructive, I can take this and reuse it wherever I want, right? So that's how I'm working. So once the few things are sorted out, everything will become faster and faster. Once the base is set, everything will become faster. You seem to be like a perfectionist, not even ignoring small angles. I have a small kind of OCD, you can say, where if something is clipping, it annoys me. See, see this thing is clipping out. So that is just I just noticed it. I'm just gonna fix it. That's the thing, no? Like when modeling, you gotta figure out things which will be perfect. All right, I agree with you. Dev agrees with UL. Yeah, I need the perfection because see, the thing is, even at my work, when I work full-time job, right? Whenever at work, when my juniors do something, I was like, no, oh no, do it like this, do it like that. No, I just kind of get irritated sometimes. It happens. All right, so let's make the hole here for the entrance. Let's just make the entire section just wait. Okay, just applying the modifier mirror here. Okay, let's just remove those faces and move that edge here. There we go. So we have our hole in the house, the entrance. I think the house is too small. Oh, I know, it is big enough. Oh, the roof. The roof is missing. Okay, let's make the first floor roof. This is just one floor. Oh, I mean it's big enough. It's big enough. I like the size. The size is good. This has to change. The basement, the base of the house has to change. That will change. What do you do, bro? I'm a creative manager. I have a team of 15 people I handle. Yeah, and we do 3D stuff for an events company. He's not copying 100%. He's trying to take idea from the reference picture. Yes. I mean, it's not copying. I'm just taking the structure, right? It doesn't look same. It doesn't even look the same. Come on. I'm not copying it. I'm just taking the structure of the house, of a fantasy house. And I can go inside the house. Okay. Okay. Let's make a copy of this and make 2 loop cuts like this. Separate it out. Take both the loop cuts, right click, bridge edge loops, top loop, fill, no, grid fill, bottom, grid fill. There we go. Now we have the roof, the floor. All right, now the house looks big enough. No, the height is good. Oh wait, you won't be that small, right? Your head level will be around here. I mean, it looks good. Now we need to add a stair inside. Or do I agree with? Wait, okay, I read that already. All right. So now we have the entrance. We'll put some steps here. We might increase the floor a little bit up. Okay. We have 2 floors and 1 attic. That's the house. It will look like this in the game. Kind of. The textures, once the texture comes, the wooden texture, the roof tile texture, with the depth map and with all the maps and everything, it's gonna look completely different. Bye, bro. Gotta go. See you later. Nice stream, by the way. All right. Have fun, man. Have a good day, evening, night, whatever. And see ya soon. See you next stream. Have fun. Okay. Oh wait, I forgot something. Here, let's add on this piece. Let's just duplicate that, separate that, and take modifiers from that. All right, looks good to me. Scale. Reduce the bevel. There we go. Reduce the bevel. Solidify first, and reduce the bevel. There we go. Then we'll just mirror it. There we go. Just add a small support right there. So the roof doesn't fall off. Wait a minute. How is the roof supporting? I mean, not roof. I mean, this section supporting. Only this? It's just supporting on this? I mean, it's a fantasy house. Doesn't matter. I mean, it can support on that. Why not? Why the fudge not? All right. Okay, so we have small wall thickness. Wall thickness doesn't matter that much, I guess, unless it's a real life. In the game, this is fine. All right, so we have the inside of our house. Let's make a hole in the roof to make stairs. All right, so let's say our stairs. Hey man, yeah, what's up? In Godot. 1 meter. 1 meter is enough, I guess. When I make a 3D game. No, wait, I don't need to do this. I can delete faces. It just work in 2 FPS, 12 FPS. Oh, you're running a symbol prototype. Prototype is running in 12 FPS. No. No. Oh no, grid fill doesn't work like that. Can I just bridge faces? Bridge, no, just fill it, I guess. No, fill doesn't work. Had to do this. There we go. Now we have the hole for the roof. No, all for the stairs. The stairs should go from here to here. No, here to here, right? Yeah, it goes from here to here like this. Or should I put in the side like this? Huh. Should I put in the back or the side? Let's put in the side. From here to there. That is better. Okay. Let's remove like this. Then we'll just fill up these gaps. What did you say? I want to break it, but I can't because I wouldn't have another laptop. Don't. Don't break your laptop. First, make sure you get another laptop before you break your laptop. Otherwise, you will be like, oh no, laptop, what will I do? Don't break your laptop. It will break one day eventually, that's for sure. But don't break it. Don't break it, break it. It'll break. Just wait until it breaks. Right. So we have the hole for the stairs. Now let's make the steps, right? Okay. How are we going to do the steps? Let's take these. The steps start from here until here. Steps start here and here. Okay. This is the floor. You wouldn't break it? Of course. No, don't break it. Yes, of course. It'll be broken later. Eventually. All right. Now, there's a way to make steps. Easy steps. Oh, wait. I know. So let's... Oh, wait. I want like custom steps. Like, let's not make a cube. Let's make... Oh, wait. Let's make a cube. Wait, hold on. Let's make a cube. Let's squash it. Squash. All right. I need... Let's calculate how many steps we need. Let's squash it like this as well. This is one single step, right? So that is the final step. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. No. I need to make it a little bit more steeper. Okay. Whoop. Nope, little less steeper. Whoop. Okay, sounds good. Where do you go? All right. This sounds good. It'll fit right there. Now, how am I going to support this, you might ask? Okay, why you don't use Unreal? I see Unreal is good for Unreal is good for realistic stuff, more of realistic stuff, and Unity was good for stylized things. And Godot right now is the best for stylized things. And Godot is powerful. It's really powerful. And it's hard for him. And I know Unreal. I know the Unreal has blueprints because it's easier. Godot is completely scripting, and I want to learn Godot as well while I'm making something. That's what I want to do. So I'm working on Godot, and modeling. I'm already proficient with Blender. Yeah, Ahmed, what's up? The last two steps requires a little bit of adjusting. Let's select all this, book down. There we go. A little bit more adjusting, I guess. I don't think I need the last step. Okay, now the question is, how am I gonna make the steps? I don't want normal. I don't want to cover this back side. I want it to be like a modern modern type architecture, but in a fantasy world. Will you think you will be stick to Godot? Yes, of course. Like I meant, you will continue on Godot, or will you switch to Unity or Unreal? I will be continuing on Godot. Because I already started a project in Godot. No, I don't want to switch. All the things will be wasted. It's not like you can export Godot project into Unreal project. No, that's my man. Yeah, yes. All right, now let's make some variations of this cube. Let's say just gonna add 2 loop cuts like this. No, 4 loop cuts like this, and 3 loop cuts, 2 loop cuts like this. All right, now I want just an irregular shape. Just an irregular shape. So we will just randomize the positions like it's just a wooden slab kind of thing feeling. Okay, it's just a wooden slab. I should go there. It's not perfect, you know. It's just a random wooden slab. Just let's reduce the thickness. Maybe thickness is fine. Shade auto smooth. Okay, it's fine. Are you struggling in making a stair? No, I'm stylizing the stair. I'm stylizing the stair. I'm not struggling. Come on. I don't struggle making stairs. Let's make it thinner. There we go. I'll make it like this. We have the step. Now we'll add a subdivision maybe. No, I'll add a bevel. Of course. Of course we need a bevel. Then apply the scale. Oh no, what happens? The bevel needs very teeny tiny bevel. That's just like that. Now we have and increase the segment as well. Oh, it's too much. What? Oh, the shade smooth, shade flat. There we go. There we go. And we have a random piece of wood. Color on it? Wooden. It'll be wood, right? It'll be a random shape cut wood. There is no machine cutting in the fantasy world. It's long time ago, right? So they just cut with a saw and just irregular. It's a regular piece of slab, wooden slab. How did you add it color? Oh, these random colors. So in this material viewport shading preview, right? Material preview, you can click on this arrow mark here, and this thing will pop up. This thing will pop up. In here, in color, you can. It'll be like this. It'll be default. It'll be like this. Okay. In this options here, you can turn on cavity, so it gives you a small depth feeling, and you can also change the color on random, color to random or single. You know, you can select a single color if you want, or you can select random. That means everything you make, every new object, it will be a random color. I mean, if you want a different effect, you can have that effect also. It's too bright. Thank you. All right. It's kind of nice to work like this because if you know what different objects are and you know like and then you know where the depth is because you turned on the cavity, you know. Cavity makes it feels like there's depth to it. And wherever the bevel is, and where bevel is not applied and everything you can see. All right, now we have this. Let's copy all this. No, isolate all this. Now we have one row, flow step. I need to make variations of this. One variation we can do is just rotate it by 180 degrees. That's another one variation. Another variation you can do is flip it on X, no, flip it on Y on -1, like just mirror it. Then you can do is rotate that 180 degrees. Then next piece you can do is flip it on the X axis. Okay, then next one you can do is rotate that 180 degrees. Then you can just copy paste the first one. All right, there we go. So we have different variations. No one will say it is copy pasted, even though it's just copy pasted. It is just, oh, wait a minute. Is this and this same? This? No, it's not. Oh, it's kind of, it is, but no one is going to notice. No one is going to notice. Once the second, third step is stepped, no one is going to remember what the second step looked like. It just needs to look different. Add wall or something to stairs. Oh, yeah, of course. We're going to do it. No worries. All right, so one. There you go. You go there. You go there. You go there. And you go there. All right. So now we need to bring in that modern architecture stuff. Okay, first thing first, we're going to attach these stairs onto the wall. But it pokes out. What do I do? The wall is too thin, so I won't be able to. Okay, let's do another thing. Take the wall. All right, take the wall. Hide mirror. Oh shit, it's on the other side. It's fine. At wall to only right side maybe. Yeah, right. Wait, not wall. I'm not gonna do wall. I'll show you what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do some crazy stuff. You can call me crazy. All right, now I'll show you some crazy technique. Okay, it's technique. Let's just take the stairs for now and the roof. Okay, crazy technique. We add a plane. Where is the plane? Okay, here's the plane. Rotate it on. Okay, we have the plane. All right, so we don't need the plane actually. Make a small basement or a storage space. Yeah. I mean, the storage will be behind under these stairs, right? Of course. Yeah, storage space under stairs. We can. We'll get to that. We need to build a storage container and all those things. Okay, so we'll just merge all the points at the center, and we just have one single point. Let's start from here. I'm just gonna randomly extrude it. Stylized extruding. Shit. Okay, stylized extruding like this. It's just meeting all the points. Okay. Now I'll bring it here, put it right there. Okay. Now I'm gonna do a subdivision so it becomes smoother. Now I'll convert this into a curve. Convert to curve. Oh shit, now I'll add a subdivision. Add that subdivision. I got a rigging issue. Wait. I know I've asked too much, Nico. Ask away, man. Ask away. I'm here to teach. I teach my juniors in real life. What's stopping me from teaching anyone else? Just forgot about it. Oh yeah, just ask me. Just what the problem is. Okay, so now we are gonna make a square, small square. But the other one, okay, let's just make a small plane. Okay, plane. We're gonna make it teeny tiny as possible. Okay, we're just gonna put it somewhere safe. Oh, that is too far away. Where are you? Okay, we're just gonna put it next to the stairs. Okay, and bring it up. We have a teeny tiny square. Excuse me, my bad. Teeny tiny square. Then in the curves, now we converted this to a curve, right? In the curve settings, in geometry, you can select bevel to object and select this square. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, this has to be a curve as well. So we have to convert that into a curve. Okay, now in the object, we can select that. Wait, what happened? Oh, in the object, we can select that curve. Now increase the offset. No, wait. What did I do just now? Oh, wrong place. In object, we have to select that curve. Now the profile of this, it didn't be, oh wait, there's a bevel on this? No, wait. Oh, there's a subdivision on this. Oh wait, they applied the subdivision though. Why are you like this? No, oh, wait, why is it not square? Hello? Huh. I mean, this works as well, but this has object. I selected this. Oh, wait, hold on. This doesn't require any. Okay. On this, I select this as sometimes shit happens and I don't know what is going on. This has to take the profile shape of this. Oh, wait, it is taking. The problem is why is the corners not sharp though? I need it to be a square pipe. Just forget about it. All right. Oh, just forgot about it. You forgot about it, not me to forget about it. Forget about it. All right. Maybe. Oh, yes. I got what was missing. I wanted to add some extra points in each. Oh, where's the 3 points? Oh, we need 2 points. Hello. Wait, hold on. Okay. Oh, that's the edge. So when you extrude it doesn't matter. But if I extrude here, a point comes out. So I need to subdivide this line. Subdivide this line and also subdivide this line. Oh, that was not. What did I do? Did I? What did I press? That worked perfectly though. I made a character with mirror modifier. Show me. Post it. Post a screenshot, not a Blender file. Add duplicate. Oh, there we go. Oh wait, no, not add duplicate. What did I press? I pressed it and it worked completely fine. Smooth curve. Clear tilt. No. Clear tilt. No. I pressed something and it worked perfectly. Add duplicate? No. Make segment. It didn't work. Extrude curve and move. There we go. There we go. Now we don't need this. Remove. No, wait. Wait. We can remove this vertex. All right, now we have a square shape. We can just reduce the size of the square and it changes to a nice looking square. There we go. We can just scale it again. There we go. Yeah, just this square and that changes. That's how you make a profile. Object-based curve thickness. There we go. Okie dokie. Okay, did you post it? Let me see. Oh, 7 chats. Oh. Did you sculpt it or is it just did you sculpt that body? It changed the both sides, I think, because it's a mirror modifier. So do you have an answer for this or an idea? Okay. So mirror modifier, when you do it, you made the character with mirror modifier, right? So when you do a mirror modifier, you don't have access to the other half. So you have to apply the mirror modifier. So how do you do that is basically, for example, this one. Oh wait, no. Let's take a new object. Let's take this one. Okay. Nah, wait, hold on. I'll make a new object. Wait. Okay, let's just take this one for example. Okay, I have this object here. Only this is accessible. Only this mesh is accessible. The other mesh is not accessible. So once you make your character, you have to apply the mirror modifier. Otherwise, the rigging will have issues. You got it? This is the only object I have mesh data on. The rest of them are just copies without any access, without any mesh access. So you have to apply the modifier. So to apply the modifier, you can go here to the modifier section and click this one and click apply. But make sure when applying the modifier, the modifiers above it doesn't get affected, because modifiers go from top to bottom priority, and sometimes applying one modifier below a modifier just messes up your entire model. Just make sure that works properly. I sculpted it. Yeah. I made the character with mirror modifier. Yeah, but you have to apply the mirror once you before rigging. And once you rig it, then it will be proper. All right. The house is almost kind of looking nice. Inside, we have the stairs. I can just copy this on the other side as well, like this. It's like a nice wine stairs. It looks nice, right? I mean, it's not like your typical stairs. It's more stylized stair. and you have space under your, you can just have it on the one side, you know, and attach that to the wall. No, wall attachment, it will not work properly. Let's just have it. I will reshape this as well, so it's not the same shape. 1 second. So it looks random. Give me 1 sec. Let's select everything again. All right. Okay, so just gonna take points and just throw it at different places. Man, I have a K-drama to watch. All right, there we go. So, oh, this one still look the same. Okay, there we go. I think that should look both different. I mean, the character, it worked. Hey, let's go. Fantastic. All right, I think this should look nice. Okay, we have our stairs. I mean, this is fine. That's fine. We have interior will work later on. We work on the interior later. We will have to figure out the exterior first. All right. So I guess that's it for today. I am gonna end stream. I have some shows to catch up. So thank you all for joining in. I want to truly say from my deepest, from my heart, thank you. You're welcome. You're welcome. It's always fun to use and learn Blender. Why? Oh, come on. I had to end stream one way. It's been hours, 2 hours and 17 minutes. It's been 2 hours. I guess that's it for today. I'm tired. I'm tired as well. Can you save the stream? Nice tips, man. Thank you. The stream will be on my channel. It will be streamed. It will be saved. It's public. All my streams are public. You can see if you want Godot tutorials as Godot tips as well. You can and Dev also can help you with that. And Blender, I can give you whatever tips you want. And hi, welcome to the chat, A. Hope you're doing good. So I guess that's it. I'll have to mark which stream is on Blender, which stream is Godot in my stream titles, so you guys don't get confused. And yep, thank you. I want to learn Blender. You will come hang out, and the things while I'm making something, I show them how to make it. So it's like you can learn a thing or two from what I'm making, using modifiers, using whatever things. Right now I'm working on low poly stuff, but sooner or later we'll work on high-end stuff. Is the next stream Godot or Blender? We'll have to complete this model before we jump into Godot dev. Let's finish this model up tomorrow. No, sorry, not tomorrow. Next stream. Then we'll jump into Godot back. All right, guys, thank you so much for coming in today. On Twitch, Musi, Chloe, Anxiety, Viv, Abhi, Arambo, thank you so much. And on YouTube, A, Dev, Hellgamer, Fatales, Protagonist, Async, Rise, Duffy, Agam, thank you so much for popping by. I'll see you next stream. What is raid on Twitch? Raid is like taking your audience, taking your viewers and sending it to another streamer who is live. Just answer me, what is raid? Oh, yeah, that's it. So I end stream on YouTube first, then I go raid on Twitch, then just end stream on Twitch as well. All right. So I guess I've saved the file. We have progressed this much. All right, thanks. All right, you're welcome again, man. All right, so that's it for today. See you guys. Bye-bye. and have a good day, night, evening, sleep, whatever. All right, GG's. Shan signing off.